Hello and welcome to A Sophisticated Notion. My name is Erica, and today I am reviewing the Sculptress by Panache Dana Molded Cup Strapless Bra. That's their term. Technically, it's not a molded cup because it's not made from one piece of foam, and it's also a convertible bra because it does have straps that can be reattached. So it's not truly strapless. There are straps. I'm just not wearing them for the video. So the size that I'm currently wearing is a UK 36GG, which is how I will refer to it going forward, but it is also known as a US 36J. At the time I received this bra from my wonderful sales rep, I was heavier than I am right now. I was between a 34 and a 36, leaning harder into 36, and I was around a 34HH to 36H. It's one of the reasons I procrastinated reviewing it because it didn't fit all that properly. In fact, I had to use a full extender just to get this sucker to buckle. So now that I've lost weight, it fits me much better. Right now I'm between a 32 and a 34 band, and I'm around a UK 34H cup. So this is technically the sister size, being a 36GG. The cup size is perfect. I get a little minor gaping here depending on how I move, but that's mostly because it's strapless, so you don't have the straps to kind of pull the cup against your breast like it would normally do. But otherwise, it's great. The band I have on the loosest set of hooks, so it definitely runs tight in the band. I would say a full size. That's not uncommon with strapless bras because they often employ tactics like multiple side stays, stiffer fabric, and silicone gel in order to keep them in place. So many times you may find you need to size up one band in the strapless. The Dana is no exception. I could probably go slightly tighter on this, but after I had COVID last year, I have a reduced sensitivity for anything that's too tight around my chest. It starts to constrict too much. So I would say it runs true to size in the cup, but tight in the band. Keep that in mind if you're considering ordering. The fit on this is pretty incredible. I've never had a strapless bra fit me as well as this. For starters, it boasts a lightly padded 4-section cup. So you have these 3 lower sections with 2 vertical seams that give you a nice boost from the bottom. Then you have this upper section here which contours against the breast and pulls it in to keep you contained and held. The center tacks pretty well. It's not as forward-facing as some of the other Panache styles I've tried, but honestly that's really a quibble. I think it still looks amazing underneath clothes. The sides are actually quite wide. So you have this really wide wing, and it actually tapers in the back. I'm going to turn around now so you can see that. It has 5 hook and eye closures, so this thing is really secure. Not to mention it has one long side stay here and then a shorter side stay closer towards the hook and eye closures. The wings are 2-ply, and the fabric itself has some stretch, but it's definitely more of a restricted. And then it has silicone gel lining the top and bottom to keep it sort of stuck to your body while you move. It does come down slightly lower on my ribs, but again, it's more of a padded cup issue than it is anything else, and it's surprisingly comfortable. It doesn't come up too high under my arms. I have like full movement, and believe me, I have tested this bra. I have jumped, I have danced, I have bounced, I have done all sorts of things, which I'm not going to do on camera, but it definitely stays put. So the fit I really could not be happier with. Materials. Sculptress does not skimp on materials. I have to give them incredible props for this because they are really thoughtful in the fabrics they choose. They're usually high quality, they're very soft, and even the details that they create, like the 5 hook and eye closures in the back, that's a wonderful addition. Not to mention with the back, it kind of tapers more, so sometimes with a strapless bra it comes just sort of perfectly parallel to the floor. And the problem with that is when you have formal wear, a lot of formal wear angles at the back. So I think the idea of taking this Dana strapless bra and sort of pulling it in towards the bottom is really thoughtful and inspired for them. It was a great choice. It's obviously very plain. It only comes in this color and black. I chose this color because it's closer to my skin tone and I wanted to maximize how many different outfits I could wear with it. This is really the first strapless bra that I think I've ever fallen in love with. So I have to give it to Sculptress for doing such a great job here. Again, it's kind of on the plain side, but you really want things to be basic when you're looking at a bra that you're going to wear multiple ways. Price point, it is $78, so it's definitely on the higher end, but I think with the combination of the way they've really worked on the fit as well as the materials, it's definitely worth that. It's also available up to a UK J cup in select band sizes, and I believe it goes up to a 46 band, so this is a huge size range, and anytime you have a size range that large, it definitely impacts the price. Overall, I really love this. My only quibble, and because it's a review I have to quibble, is I wish that they had more places to reattach the straps. There's place here on each side, and then there's one place in the back. Curvy Couture has a strapless bra, for example, which boasts having one on each side here, and then an additional 2 in the middle, and then 2 more in the back, for a total of 4 different places to reattach the straps per side. So it gives you a little bit more versatility in terms of being able to convert the bra to fit different styles of clothing or dresses. But overall, really amazing effort. Definitely, if you're full or busted, or if you're plus size, check this bra out. It's getting super hot here. I'm already starting to sweat, so it's nice to have the option to wear something that's strapless or one shoulder. It's just going to open up a whole new world of possibilities. Overall, congratulations, Sculptress. You've created my new favorite strapless bra. Thank you for watching.